How do we calculate mean from this graph? Welcome to Moving Math and Science. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. This graph gives us the coffee consumption for the week. And we have the cups of coffee that were consumed on the x-axis and then the number of people on the y. So what we can use for the mean is the total cups of coffee, and we'll divide that by the number of people. So let's go ahead and start doing that. If we look here, we have 2 cups of coffee, and it looks like 2 people consume 2 cups of coffee. Okay, and then we have 4 cups of coffee, and it looks like 4 people consumed 4 cups of coffee. And with 7, now look carefully, these go up by 2. So right in between would be 15. So 15 people had 7 cups of coffee. I guess they're drinking 1 cup of coffee a day. And then for 14 cups, we have 6 people. And then for 18 cups of coffee, these people are beginning to drink quite a few cups of coffee. Let's look at this carefully. And it looks like it falls right in between, and so that's going to be 3 times 18. And then finally, we have one person that consumes 24 cups of coffee. Okay, so now this column will give us the total number of people, and if you add 2 plus 4 plus 15 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1, that gives us 31. And then we need to multiply these. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 15 times 7 is 105. 6 times 14 is 84. 3 times 18 is 54. And then 1 times 24 is 24. So if you add this column, that will give you the total number of cups of coffee that were consumed, and that's 287 if you add 4 plus 16 plus 105, etc., etc. So now we have the 2 numbers for this, so we're just going to go 287, and we're going to divide that by 31, and that will give us the mean. And when you divide that is 9 26/100, and if we want to round that to a whole number, that would be 9 cups.